In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create relaxation videos like this channel. I'm going to give you the prompt, the full process of how to create such videos. Now take a look at this channel. This channel has 52 videos and is monetized with over 187,000 subscribers. And they post relaxation scenes. No voiceover, just visuals. Let's play one of them. Now let's check another channel. Look at this channel. This channel has 18 videos and 6,000 plus subscribers. This other channel shows landscape. Okay, it has over 1 million subscribers with over 1,000 videos and it's monetized. Let's look at this one. This one shows country landscapes too. It has over 874,000 subscribers with 191 videos and is monetized. Let's look at this other one. 41,000 subscribers, monetized. These channels show relaxation scenes. This other one too, 80 videos, 4,000 subscribers, monetized. This one has 874k subscribers and is monetized. So I'm going to show you how to create videos like this. I'm going to give you the prompt. With the prompt, you can modify it to target any niche or angle that you want to focus on. So the first and foremost thing is you need to go to your ChatGPT. Once you log into ChatGPT or you sign up, then you go to the prompt I'm going to give to you. And here is the prompt. You copy the title prompt. So once you copy the title prompt, you can decide to ask for 10 titles, 20 titles, 1 title, 5 titles. Then you come to ChatGPT, you paste the title prompt to generate your titles. After you get your titles, you come over to your script. So you copy your script. This is your script. You come back to ChatGPT. Then you paste your script and you pick any of these title and you paste it in your script. Here at the title section, you paste it there. You click enter. Then you come over to your image and video prompt. So you copy all of it. Once you copy all of it, I'm going to open a notepad so that I can add the changes I want. So here I'm going to say I want for a start, let me choose 50 scenes. Then I'll come back to ChatGPT and I'll copy the script. I'll paste it here. Then I'll copy the entire prompt. I'll come back to ChatGPT, paste it, then click enter. So I'm going to get 50 scenes for this video. So while it's processing, you can go back to your prompt to generate your thumbnail. So this is our thumbnail here, the thumbnail prompt. So you copy your thumbnail prompt. Then let me come back to my notepad. I'll paste it as well. Then remember your title. I'll come and get my title. This is my title here. I'll come back to my thumbnail prompt and I will paste my title. I'll type title. So let's check if the scenes are done. So we have all our 50 scenes ready. Then let's generate the thumbnail, the prompt for the thumbnail. I will copy this and then I will paste. So let's click enter. So while the prompt for the thumbnail is being generated, you head over to labs.google.fx. This is the tool we are going to be using. You can use Flow to generate the video. You can as well use Wix to generate the thumbnail. You can use Image FX to generate the thumbnail. You can use Flow to generate the thumbnail. I'm going to show you how to do this right away. So let's go ahead to generate the videos first. So you have to open your Wix. You can open it in another browser and open Flow in another browser. You can decide to use Wix or you use Flow. So I'll show you how to use both of them, either one you want. Now remember to copy your video prompts here. Once you copy it, then I'm going to paste it on my notepad. It's important to understand that this works with your phone and your computer, whichever one you are using. It works for both of them. So I am here on my Flow. You click on New Project. For Whisk, you click on Enter 2. So if you want to use this on Whisk, you have to first of all generate the image prompt. Then you animate it with the video prompt. Let me show you how to do it. So I will generate the image prompt. This is the image prompt. It's generating. Then I'll come back and copy the video animation prompt. Once I copy it, I'll come back to Flow. I'll come back to Whisk. Select any of them. Let's say I want to use this one. I'll click on Animate. Alright, then I'll enter the animation prompt. So it's animating. If you want to use this on Flow, there are two ways you can use it on Flow. I will use the second prompt here. You can decide to copy the entire prompt, the video, the image prompt, and the video prompt. You can decide to copy it together and you paste it here. You remove this, then you click here and change it to text to video. Once you change it to text to video, you change the dimension or the aspect ratio. You change it to landscape. Then I'll keep the output as 1. You click generate. So with this, it's going to generate the video directly for you. Alright. Another way to do this on Flow is you select create image. Then I'm going to use the third prompt. I'm going to copy it. Then I'll paste it here. I want to generate image. Okay. I'll check the dimension, landscape attribute 2. I'll click enter. Then I'll come back here, copy the Flow prompt, Ctrl C, then any of the image you want here, you simply click add to prompt, then change it to frame to video, paste your prompt, set the dimension and the attribute, then you click enter. So these are 3 different methods you can use to generate your videos. Any method you want to use, you just make use of it. So let's come back to Whisk. You can see the first video I created it with Wix. Now let's go back to Flow. You can see the second video I made it with Flow. The third video too, I made it with Flow in a different way. So this is the third video. You play it. So you're going to repeat this process until you have generated all the scenes that you want. Then you download it from the first one to the last one. So I'm going to download this one. I'll click on download. I'll come to Flow. I'll click on download. Then I will download this one too. So you're going to do this, you download all your videos. Then the next thing, so we're going to generate our thumbnail. This is our thumbnail prompt. You copy it. Then you come over to labs.google.fx. Like I told you, you can use Whisk, you can use Flow, you can use Image FX. So let me open Image FX in a new tab. I already have Whisk here, so I will go back and I'll paste this thumbnail prompt here. I'll click enter. I'll come to Flow. I'll select create image. I'll paste the thumbnail prompt. I'll click enter. So this is Image FX. I will also paste the thumbnail prompt here. Come to settings, make sure it is on landscape, and then I will click generate. So it's creating. So you can see Whisk has given us a thumbnail. You can choose any one of them. Let's check Flow. Flow has given us a thumbnail too. Let's wait for Image FX. Image FX has given us a thumbnail. So for me, I think I will go with that of Whisk. Alright, then I will download it. So at this point, I'm going to open my CapCut or any video editing app that you use. So once you open your editing app, you import your videos. So after bringing in your videos, you arrange it properly. You arrange it accordingly. So this is what you're going to do. You bring in all the scenes together and arrange it one by one. So once you are done arranging your videos, you rename your file and then you export it into your computer or into your phone. Then you upload it on your channel. While uploading, you use the thumbnail that you downloaded. So this is how you can successfully create relaxation videos like this. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to like this channel, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and drop a comment.